Welcome to the Heartfully Done YouTube channel. I'm Katie and it's so nice to meet you. I'm originally from Germany, but I live in New York City. I'm a professional organizer and certified KonMari consultant. This channel is for you if you're interested in decluttering and organizing your home and your life. But it doesn't stop there, because tidying is usually not our big goal, not our big why. There's something more profound than nice looking shelves and very well organized drawers. There's like a deeper reason why people want to declutter and organize. A deeper longing for making space for what's really important, and that can be different for each one of us. In 2016, I heard for the first time about Marie Kondo and her book, The Life-Changing Magic of Tidying Up. I was very interested in living a more minimalistic lifestyle and owning less things, but in a very intentional and joyful way. And so I KonMari'd my whole life and everything I owned. And after that, I was so excited that I decided I want to work as a professional organizer with the KonMari method and help others to achieve the same thing. If this sounds interesting to you and you are curious to hear more and learn more things, then please subscribe to this channel. Have a great day, and I see you in the next video. Bye!